Mortgage rates moved higher this week, and it was not just one thing, it was a conglomerate of things working together that ultimately pushed them higher this week. So, as we kick off this Friday, the 30-year fix is sitting at 6.45, up from last week, 6.32. And there's a number of things going on that pushed rates higher. And many are thinking, well, hey, the Fed's comments and that was only a small piece of the puzzle. So let's dive into it. As we know, inflation continues to be the main talking point. And right now, the thing that's driving inflation, war with Iran, but more importantly, oil. Oil we've seen over the last couple weeks explode yet again, break well above 105, $108 a barrel, which sparks significant concern into what inflation will do in both near term and long term. If we see oil remain at this level for an extended period of time, collective thought amongst the investor community is that this will have adverse impact on economies of scale. So that right there is driving the narrative. We did see data for the first time come in and have some market movement to it. And that data was centered around, we saw consumer sentiment drop. We saw headline inflation through PCE, personal consumption expenditures, come in lower than expected, but also jobless claims holding stronger, again, boding in the narrative that, hey, the economy is doing better than many would like to believe or would like to portray. So here, this all creates kind of this whirlwind. Oh, and on top of that, we had the Fed meet this week. As we know, rates were not cut, but there were some interesting comments that came from Powell, which also ignited some concerns that there was dissent amongst the voting members. They didn't all agree with the decision that was made on Wednesday, but also are all conflicted as to where they see monetary policy going forward, which, again, all to take from this is the uncertainty and volatility is what is driving the narrative right now on multiple fronts. So, the message here today is that if you're waiting for the perfect rate or interest rates to drop, you're going to be waiting indefinitely. The time to build and create opportunity are in moments like this where there's a lot of kind of confusion. If you're wanting to talk strategy and navigate what's ahead, reach out. We'd love the opportunity to help. And if you find value in this message, please like, comment, subscribe. Forward, we'd like to see this message in front of as many people as possible. As always, let's make it a fantastic Friday and an even greater weekend.